great business to be in is the business of government. With the right environment, you have access to practically unlimited resources and assets which can be tapped for the advantage of you and your business network. Hi, welcome to Better Business with Ben Comfort. With me, Ben Comfort. Today we'll be discussing a great modern business success, Dominic Cummings and his path to better business. I will break down this amazing triumph into 3 steps. Firstly, make sure you went to a good, well-established school like Durham. Next, build up a nice black book of contacts during your years away in Russia on business. Lastly, find some weak links in an established political party like the Tories and create a bum groove as an influential strategist. Remember that many politicians are lazy or a bit dim, so use that to your advantage. Now you wait. Better Business with Ben Comfort. Cheers. By now, you have political influence, so it's time to build a cause. You don't need to believe in it, you just have to win. In this case, it's the European project, or more accurately, leaving the European project.
Yay!
You want to mobilise public interest in this cause through populism, rhetoric, and outright lies. Remember, it's not illegal to lie to an electorate to affect the outcome of a public vote. It's not perjury. Blame your own mismanagement on the EU, force widespread suffering under a banner of austerity to create civil unrest. Divide the population into meaningless political binaries such as left and right. People who have almost everything in common will hate each other. Use the most common tactic in human history. It's boneheaded, but it works. Focus on fear and xenophobia. Blame immigrants, blame the poor, blame the young, blame the Germans, blame the experts, blame the media elite. We know who you mean. Blame the infirm. Blame all of this on the EU. Offer mad promises that are completely impossible. Sections of a complicit media with vested interests will run with this. Who doesn't like tax havens? Hostile foreign powers will eagerly help your rise to the top. Your aims are aligned.
Allegedly.
Now your party is divided. The extremists, the con artists and the Machiavellian will rally to your cause. If all this goes to plan, you will have taken control. Success. Now you've got the country, but you must act fast before anyone can stop you. Take advantage of global catastrophes to push through policies that allow you to sell off its assets. Give lucrative contracts to your business network. Take advantage of economic chaos to make profit. Watch as the social divide that you helped create result in an explosion of violence and cruelty. There's no time to stop and laugh. Strip the NHS and sell it to the highest bidder. Stymie investigations into the foreign powers that
Allegedly.
aided your victories. Sack any dissenters. And as the country falls into debt and disrepair, as it loses its global influence, as the pound plummets, as people lose their homes, their loved ones and their dignity, as your friends and you grow rich, know that you have won. Oh God. Ben Comfort. Dominic's strategies or intentions might have been very different from those outlined in this video. Either way, I don't think the outcome will be any different. So always remember, be better business. It's cold, Claire. I don't care. Well, I'm not paying you to go and help old fucking scroats with their groceries. Yeah, I don't care if it was on the floor. No, fucking hell. No, go and get another one. Jesus.